And the biggest lesson that I've learned is this don't make no money. All these opportunities out here for people. Where's our opportunities? Don't tell me you don't have the money. That can't be true. Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 20,000 of us over here, okay? In today's video, we're gonna talk about how videos like the ones that I do on my channel, yeah, they don't make any money. Content creators, beware. Let's really talk about the hair niche, especially as a Black woman, and how it can really work against you if you're trying to get to the bag. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. In case you're new here, I have been creating hair content for about, 7 years now on YouTube, focusing on natural hair content, DIY protective styling, and of course, natural hair care. So I've learned some things over the years, and the biggest lesson that I've learned is this don't make no money. The main reason I just genuinely believe in my heart of hearts that hair videos do not make Black women significant lucrative amounts of money is the ease in which these companies steal from us. The pictures, the videos, all the things that we are coming on here and creating, companies are stealing in mass. No, I'm not exaggerating. For example, let me go ahead and show you a couple of screenshots of me selling products on Amazon. Yeah, that's my face selling those Amazon products. Yeah, it's getting clicks. Yeah, it's making sales. No, they didn't get my permission to post my picture. No, I've actually never used that product before in my life. No, that company actually has never reached out to me to do a brand sponsorship or brand collaboration. Yes, they are making money off of me. No, I'm not seeing any of it. If it can happen to me as a micro influencer, it's definitely happening to other people. And maybe it's just me, but I feel like it happens the most to us, to Black women in the hair industry. Y'all, you can find our pictures everywhere. When you put content out there that is easily accessible, people can really take it and do what they want with it. Our influence is being used and we are never reaping the benefits of it. Do you know how frustrating it is as a content creator to constantly have to go through that? To constantly have people sending you screenshots saying, is this you? To constantly have people you follow say, hey, I purchased this hair because of you. And you have to reach out to them and say, hey, I'm so sorry, but I've literally never heard of that company before. And I know some of y'all gonna be out there like, okay, well, why aren't you seeking legal action? Why aren't you tracking these people down and hunting these companies down? Do you know how hard it is to file a complaint against a store on Amazon and have it taken seriously? You think Big Daddy Bezos cared that a few people stealing in order to make him money? Speculating that he doesn't. I've gone through the processes and the procedures and the protocols of reporting content that is stolen and trying to get it taken down. They have you jumping through hoops and at the end of the day, nothing happens. And it happens so frequently that it's exhausting even thinking about trying to go after all the people. When we talk about the theft of intellectual property, stealing people's content, this is not something that's very specific to this niche, right? It happens all across the board. And unfortunately, we don't yet have the legislation that is moving with the times, right? It's so easy to steal from people off the internet. It's not as easy to, again, track it down and go through the whole judicial process of getting those things removed. Like, that's tiring, it's cumbersome, it's expensive. Not that legislation really protects us anyways, but we're not even going to get into that. And again, there's always someone saying, well, hey, maybe you should watermark your content. Been there, done that. Have had companies take entire YouTube videos and blur out my watermark in order to make their sales. It's a hard knock life for us. And another thing, if you don't already know, Black people's purchasing power when it comes to the hair care industry, babes, it's astronomical, okay? So we are very much investing into the maintenance and aesthetics of our hair as well as other beauty products, but we don't focus on hair in the channel. I was thinking the other day, like, there are so many natural hair brands, again, brands that are very, very specific in the demographic that they're targeting. How often do you see these brands collaborate with influencers? Like, when I say collaboration, I mean like insert brand name here, X, insert influencer name here. Because I feel like I see lots of collaborations in other industries. How come the companies that target us specifically, how come we don't see no collaborations? If you can think of a collaboration, can you let me know down below? Because off the top of my head, nope, nothing's coming to mind. Nothing's coming to mind. All these opportunities out here for people. Where's our opportunities? Don't tell me you don't have the money. That can't be true. And another thing, I know you're saying, but Jayla, I see influencers that have sponsorships all the time. They're always working with this hair brand and that hair brand and this hair brand and that hair brand. Ask those influencers whether they're being compensated fairly. Ask those influencers whether they're answering emails that say, hey friend or hey boo, can you possibly give us the lowest possible rate? Hey friend, hey boo, we want you to make this YouTube video, but we also want 6 Instagram pictures in addition to that. And we want to be able to use them however we want to, but we only gonna pay you X amount of dollars. If y'all knew what these brand deals and these negotiations look like behind the scenes. I want a macro influencer, I want a big content creator to call me out and say I'm wrong. Tell me those are not the type of people that you have to negotiate with in order to make your career as an influencer, make your career as a content creator. Tell me that's not what you're dealing with. Tell me in the comments. I want you to tell me. This is the reality, y'all. This is a harsh reality of being a Black content creator working in a market where we really not holding the strings. Again, there's money to be made. The money exists somewhere. It's just not being passed down to us. Y'all go ahead and answer in the comment section below. I don't care. Light it up. Tell me what you want to tell me. I'm just telling you. When you see me turn on this camera and give you a tutorial, please be grateful. Please show some gratefulness, because I'm not getting paid to do this, baby. None of us are. We just be out here putting stuff into the atmosphere, trying to help and going through our own journeys and really loving our hair and falling in love with our hair and learning our hair. And it's beautiful, and I would not give it up for the world. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Free way to support. Also, hit that like button so YouTube can share this with other people. Free way to support. Lots of free ways you can show your support. So go ahead and do that. Thank you so much. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.